Are your employees quietly quitting or mentally checking out? You're not alone, but there are proven ways to fix the happiness crisis in your workplace. So let's dive right in. Hello, and welcome back to Askhrhubplus, your go-to channel for real-world HR solutions. I'm Edward Obi, and today we're tackling the growing happiness crisis at work. Only 10% of UK employees feel engaged, and this disengagement is damaging productivity, retention, and morale. Understanding the crisis, we need to look at the key drivers, which include managerial influence. Managers impact 70% of team engagement, yet many feel burnt out and unsupported. Quiet quitting. Doing the bare minimum is costing the UK economy £257 billion every year. Mental health. 57% of employees report poor mental health at work, a huge warning sign. Now, it's all about recognizing the signs and what you need to look out for. Higher absenteeism. Disengaged teams are 78% more sick days. High turnover. They're 87% more likely to leave. Lower productivity. Productivity can drop by up to 43%. Now, here are a few strategies for improvement which can make a huge difference. The first one is about developing managers. Support and train them. Only 44% feel equipped today. Prioritize mental health. Strong programs boost satisfaction by 20%. Recognize employees. Foster a culture where contributions are appreciated. It multiplies engagement. Listen actively. 2/3 of employees want leaders who truly listen and act. Now, here's a quick tip of the week for you. Start using pulse surveys to quickly measure employee mood and spot issues early. The happiness crisis is real, but with small, targeted actions, you can reverse it. Support your managers, prioritize mental health, celebrate contributions, be flexible, and listen. If you found this useful, then like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let's keep building happier workplaces together. Thanks for watching.